What did you do yesterday? Dialogue 1. Leo and Kate have been dating for over a year. Their friend, Carrie, just recently found out about it. She sits down with Leo and Kate and asks them to tell her everything. Oh my God! Why didn't you guys tell me? I had to find out the news through Jack. We're very sorry, Carrie. We wanted to keep things private. But Jack saw us together when we were on a date last week. I understand. Well, are you going to tell me now?
Of course. What do you want to know?
First of all, when did you guys start being in a relationship?
We started being in a relationship last year.
Last year? That's a long time ago.
Yes, time flies. We never expected to be so in love. Right, Kate?
Yes. Leo came to the cafe I was working at, and the rest is history. You guys are so cheesy. I can't stand it. Oh, come on. Weren't you the one wanting us to be together from the start? Yes, and I'm starting to regret it now, though. Just kidding. I'm happy for you guys.
Thanks, Carrie. We weren't sure how you would react to this news.
What would I do? Stop hanging out with you guys? No way. We love you. Dialogue 2. Tim and Hank are looking through Tim's family photos. They come across one where Tim is crying. Hank asks Tim what he thinks it was about.
Tim, why were you crying in this picture? By the way, you look so young here.
Duh, Hank. I was 5 years old then. And what did you expect me to look like? And I was crying because my dad tricked me.
Tricked you how?
I remember it was a school day. My dad woke me up really early. Go on. Well, I wanted to skip school that day, and my dad told me I could if I made the bed and got ready as fast as possible.
Haha, I see where this is going.
Ugh, I finished everything super fast without any doubt. I made the bed, ate my breakfast, brushed my teeth, and washed my face. I even put on a beautiful outfit.
And then?
And then my dad said, April Fools! I cried, and he took this picture at that moment.
Your dad is such a funny guy.
No, not to me. Dialogue 3. Johnny has a stomach ache. He goes to see his doctor, Damon. Damon asks him a few questions to figure out the reason for Johnny's pain.
Hey, Damon, can you have a look at my stomach? It has been aching since yesterday.
What did you eat for dinner yesterday? Was it anything out of the ordinary?
No, not that I know of. I just ate a hamburger.
Maybe there was something wrong with that hamburger. What about drinks? Did you drink anything bad?
I drank some alcohol last night, but that's normal for me. I always drink a glass of wine every other day.
That still can upset your stomach, though. Your body may not be able to tolerate alcohol. Should we do some tests first?
Yes, sure.
The results are not allergic to alcohol. How was your sleep last night?
It was not so good. I slept really late because I had to work. I've been staying up late for a week now.
I see. That is probably why you are feeling unwell. You need enough sleep for your organs to work normally.
I know. What should I do then?
You need to sleep earlier. That should help. If not, come see me again.
Okay. Thank you, Damon.
You're welcome. Dialogue 4. Jeremy just came back from Italy. He tells Molly, his colleague, about his adventures on holiday. Jeremy, long time no see. How was your holiday?
Hi, Molly. It was really great. Thank you for asking. I had so much food and went sightseeing a lot.
Really? What was your favorite meal?
My favorite meal was one I had the first night I was there. Pizza and wine.
That seems delicious. Did you take many pictures?
Unfortunately, no. But I filmed a lot using the video camera I bought before the trip.
Can I see the footage sometime? I've never been to Italy before.
Of course. Wait a minute. I'll send them to you.
Thank you, Jeremy. By the way, you missed out on a few important meetings while you were gone.
Oh no! What did I miss?
One on a new project and one on new employees.
I see. Thank you for informing me. I will see if I can find some information on them.
No problem. I'm getting back to work now.
Okay, talk to you later.
Dialogue 5. After the weekend, Hannah goes back to school. Her desk mate, Tony, asks her about the activities during the weekend.
Good morning, Hannah. How are you today?
I'm good. Thanks, Tony. What about you?
I'm good too. My dad brought home a new dog yesterday. I'm still very excited. What about you? What did you do on your weekend, Hannah?
Congratulations on your new dog, Tony. I also hung out with mine and took it out on a walk yesterday afternoon. The rest of the day was nothing crazy, though. I just helped my mom cook and enjoyed dinner with my family.
That sounds lovely. Did you do the homework for today?
Yes, I finished it on Saturday. Do you want to compare the results? I wasn't sure about question 3.
Sure. That one took me some time to solve.
I know, right? I asked my brother for help, but he couldn't solve it either.
Here you go. Did you get 10 as the answer?
No. What did I do wrong?
Maybe you skipped a step. Let me see. Oh yeah, you have to redo this part.
Oh, I redid that part so many times already and I still got it wrong.
It's okay. I can help you. I'm sure the teacher will explain it as well.
Thank you, Tony.
You're welcome, Hannah.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.